I suspect you've committed an offence, so I need your name, your date of birth and your address. You know,
I'm not giving them to you.
You realise that if you don't give me the details, I'm going to have to arrest you.
That's alright, then I'll...
She opens with, I suspect you committed an offense, yet can't name the offense. 35 seconds in, and she's already threatening arrest. That's a world record swing from zero to unlawful. Note the instant bluff. No facts, just fear. Classic fishing expedition. And the hook is already in her own lip.
Recording, mate?
Yes, I am. Are you recording me?
I am.
Fair play. Okay. We had the call. Are you aware? What
That's why I'm still here waiting.
Oh, okay. They are saying that you've been flying a drone
That's right.
over the premises.
That's right.
Oh, okay. What's the intention of that?
To take a video. It don't matter what the intention is. It's uncontrolled airspace, love, and I can fly wherever I like.
Oh, and have you got any certificate for that?
I don't need a certificate for it.
But you got a flyer ID?
I have got a flyer ID.
Yeah.
Have you got that?
Can we have a look at your flyer ID, please?
Pretty much that, so yeah.
So what are the rules and regulations then of flying over an occupied space?
You're supposed to know this, not me.
Well, you're the person that's got the licence, so therefore I'm checking to see whether you know what the rules and regulations are.
Am I alright just to hold it, Peter?
As long as you don't take photographs of it.
I'll record it.
No, don't want that.
Record it anyway.
No, don't want it. Don't take recording.
It's okay, it's in my possession. I'm not going to do anything with it.
Yeah, I don't want you recording it. It's my property.
Okay, I know.
Thank you.
It's property, but you're giving me your property. So what I'll do...
No, you took it off me. I showed it you and you took it out my hand.
Yeah. Because it's
Right,
easy for
and
me.
I want it back now, thank you.
It's easy for me just to get your details. Okay, darling, I'm just going to write it
Right.
down. But
No, you're alright.
Hang on. I'll just quickly take your details.
Watch the micro-mugging. She asks to see the flyer ID, then physically keeps it. That's not inspection. It's seizure without power. She pivots to writing details she has zero authority to demand. Proving curiosity isn't probable cause. If knowledge were currency, she'd be counterfeiting it in real time.
My details, you've got them on your camera.
Yeah, but I need to rewatch it. It's easier if I just write it down.
If we've come out to somebody, what we'll do is we'll PNC you, right? Because we've come out specifically to come and see you because you've been flying.
Yeah, but I don't have to give you my details. The only reason I've given you my details, I don't even have to give you that. And now she's taking it off me.
She hasn't taken it off.
She has, she's refusing to give it me back.
Okay.
Don't matter, I want it back, thank you. My property.
Okay, so what I think it is, okay, and according to the law, have you heard about Article 265 Navigation Order 2016?
Just a series of numbers.
No, it's not.
2016.
It's actually an offence, okay?
Right.
By the sound of it, you have broken the law today.
No, I haven't.
So now, if you just listen out to me, okay? So I suspect you have broken the law. In order to I expect to obviously ask for your details, get your full name, date of birth, etc.
I haven't broken any laws.
Okay.
Behold the statute salad. Article 265 of the Air Navigation Order 2016. Sound official until you realize that provision was gutted and rewritten in 2020. She's quoting Ghost and PJ Ghostbuster on the spot. When legislation is your weapon, at least check the expiry date before you pull the trigger.
Would you like me to demonstrate what it is?
You can demonstrate what you like and then I'll show you the proper version.
The proper version?
Yeah, the proper version that says a sub 249 gram drone can fly anywhere.
Okay.
As long as it's not,
No,
as long as it's not an airfield or a prison.
no, this other
That's
laws.
2016, that's 8 years old.
But it's
Yeah.
slightly
6 years
changed with the recording device, hasn't it?
Doesn't matter.
Well, it does if you record.
No, it doesn't. You don't know nothing, mate.
Do
I'll
just
show you in a
wanna-
minute.
That's on there. Do you just want to go through the point and I'll just add this to the log?
Well, we haven't seen where you've been flying.
Could you?
Doesn't matter.
Well, it does, because you're not supposed to fly with 150 metres of
Who's told you that rubbish?
area.
Who's told you that?
That's what it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Have they given you permission to film?
You don't need permission. As long as I take off and land in a public place, I can fly wherever I like.
Well, it's a private place, isn't it? It's not public.
No, I said if I take, as long as I take off and land in a public place, I can film whatever I like and I can fly wherever I like as long as it's not an airfield
What about human
or a
act
prison.
right, then?
What about what?
What about human act rights? What about human act rights?
Human what?
Human act rights.
I don't know what you're
Have
saying.
you not heard about human act rights?
What about it?
Enter the mythical human Act Rights, a creature that exists nowhere in UK law. She weaponizes privacy like a toddler with a lightsaber. Wild swings, zero precision. PJ's Buckingham Palace analogy guts her argument. She counters with, but the Queen, proving she's not just wrong, she's royally confused.
For example, right to privacy. No?
Right, haven't you heard that there's no such thing as privacy in a public place? Let me run a scenario past you then.
Okay, no, you're not running any scenario.
I am going to run a scenario
Okay.
past you. If I stand outside Buckingham Palace and photograph or video the Queen on her balcony, which is private property, I can do, and nobody can do anything about it.
There's no balcony now.
What?
There's no balconies here, are they?
What difference does that make? The point I'm making is, I'm videoing somebody on private land.
Okay, but that's not a scenario we're talking about, are we?
No, it is, that's what you've just been talking about.
We're talking about you flying over a private business.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Well, it is, because...
No, it isn't.
Well, it is.
You've got to get the current laws, not laws. It's like saying 50 years ago, 60 years ago, they used to hang you for murder, but they don't anymore.
Well,
so that I'm not going to get hung.
There are certain laws that still stand.
Right, and you're wrong.
We are.
You are wrong, yes, thank you.
I shall
The ultimatum moment. Give details or I'll arrest you. Translation. Produce evidence against yourself or lose your liberty. She confesses she doesn't know the offense yet still threatens cuffs. That's coercion dressed as caution. And PJ makes her wear in front of the camera she tried to shut off.
If I get myself a road,
As long as it's sub 250, yeah?
and stand in the road and film you,
Yeah,
fly it over your garden,
yeah.
that's absolutely fine with you.
You can fly it over my garden. Now, if you try and video in through the windows and stuff like that's a different matter.
Well, how do you know I'm not?
I don't. But you're talking about scenarios, and you didn't want scenarios a minute ago when I'm talking about the Queen.
Yeah, but that's a different matter.
Why is it a different matter?
Because it's the Queen.
Because I was saying it and not you. Right, okay.
No, I didn't say that. No, I didn't say that.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a public place, but where you flying your drone, it's not a public place.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Doesn't
So,
matter.
I ain't got a problem if you take it around the common or a park, but what I'm being told is that you've been flying it over this business.
I have flown it over that business.
Okay.
I have flown it over that business because I'm allowed to legally.
I've got here lots of points that you're not allowed to do.
And what the laws have changed since 2016.
Okay, I'm aware of it.
Well, you obviously not.
Now it's a way in without a scale. She demands proof the drone is sub 250G, but admits she has no power to compel it. PJ offers a visual peek, nothing more. She's essentially asking for a receipt for gravity. If you can't articulate the crime, you can't command the evidence. Checkmate in 1 minute flat.
Below
Where's your
250 grams. In the car.
Okay, can we have a look, please?
No.
We can't.
No.
We can't.
No.
So how do I know that what you're telling me is the truth?
Because I've told you.
Well, I need to see some proof on that. If you're quoting a lot of laws and then you say, actually, you can't see my drone, how do I know that this is your drone? And what it weighs? I didn't even know what drone you've got. I haven't
I've told you what I've got.
Well, people tell you a lot of things, okay?
Don't dispute, they do. Don't have to give it you.
You do. Because
Why do I?
You committed an offence.
That's what, sorry?
I suspect you've committed an offence, so I need your name, your date of birth and your address. In order to
I'm not giving them to you.
In order, in case we need to contact you further in relation to this, if they want to make a complaint, okay?
But we're trying to find out what the story is. We're not trying
That's
to,
fine, I'll stand here all day until you find
I
out.
haven't got time for that. I haven't got time for that.
Well, that's not my problem.
But what the officer's asking is, you've got the right to ask you for your name and your date of birth, and it's an offence not to give it.
No, it's not. It's only an offence if I refuse to give my name and address, if I've been arrested or I'm being detained.
Well, you're not being any of those.
Right, thank you. So I don't have to give my details.
Narrator lands a knockout. She looks like an absolute nincompoop. The post-mortem lists every self-inflicted wound, outdated law, fake privacy right, ground-to-sky confusion. The badge becomes a prop. The bluff becomes a blooper reel. Remember to slam, like, punch, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next expose.
So if you don't give me the details, I'm going to have to arrest you.
That's all right, then I'll sue you.
Fine, you can you're not going to sue me, but I haven't got your details. You're refusing your details. and you have committed an offence in my eyes. So I need your details so I can deal with you without taking you to custody. If you refuse those details, we're going to have to arrest you, okay?
And what are you going to arrest me for?
For breach of that.
For breach of that?
For breach of the flying, yeah.
What flying rule's that? Explain to me. Give me the details.
The one that you've been arguing to me about.
Right, which is what?
Okay, we'll quote it again for you.
You don't even know what you're talking about.
Unmanned aircraft
Right,
need to people, vessels, vehicles or structures.
right,
Okay?
right.
That law. Thank
Right.
you very much. Yeah?
But you're quoting specific weights, etc. But you can't prove to us what weight you're
You're
thrown
refusing.
Oh, I can do.
We
You're
can't, because you're not
refusing
allowing
to,
us to see it. So
I can
therefore,
do.
the officer's got the right, because at this moment she doesn't know whether an offence has been committed, to ask you for your name and address and date of birth. It's a normal thing, but you're refusing to do that. You're making it difficult.
I'm not making it difficult. I'm just telling you. I'll show you my drone, that's all I'm going to do.
I see you've got a lot of time in your hands, alright?
I'll show you my drone, that's all I'm going to do.